Hey, beautiful people! Today I'm going to teach you how to paint sunset with watercolors. Do not skip the video because there are a lot of tips in between. So watch till the end. So for today, I will be using chitrapat watercolor sheets of 270 GSM, and I have taken a piece of paper that I put under the block of wood, and right now I'm going to mask it down. For the sun, I'm going to take 2 stripes of masking tape, just like that, and going to draw a circle and cut the circle with the help of cutter. I'm going to paste it down on the paper and make sure that there is no air bubbles because air bubbles can let the paint inside. So since it is being wet on bed technique, I'm going to apply water as my first layer and going to do the paint as the second layer. If you want to paint skylines, you can go with a darker version of yellow color. And of course, you can add in more variations with different paints to your sunset. And right now I'm going to blend it down. And if you haven't checked out my 6 blending techniques of watercolors, don't worry, I'm going to link it down in the description box below so you can go and check it out. So once after the painting is completely dried, you can gently peel off the masking tape out of the painting. And if you're not satisfied with how your sun has turned out, you can obviously go with some white and bring out a very well defined sun for the gorgeous sunset. Alright, our sun is ready to settle down. So for this painting, I really want to add some more elements. So I thought of adding more layer of leaves, but you can go with anything that what your heart says. You can go with beautiful birds, or you can draw some lamppost or whatever that is on your mind. But if you want to paint what I paint, here's a tip for you. It's all about how you press the brush down and how you lift it up out of the paper. So for the big part of the leaf, you can press the brush down, and for the sharp edges, you just have to lift the brush up. And that's how you get these beautiful leaves. I hope it was helpful, and if it was new and if it was helpful to you today, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and do comment in if you loved it. To add in more depth to the painting, I am going to use muted black color to bring out the depth to the painting. And right now, I hope you can see the lighter one looks far away with the darker ones, and that's how you can feel the depth of the painting. Always make sure to keep your brushes safe and sound by giving it a regular bath. And the satisfactory part is peeling off the masking tape. If you're still not satisfied with how your sides and corners turned out, you can use corrector pen and cover it up. And if you like this video of how to paint watercolor sunset, do not forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Happy painting! God bless you.